In summers, our skin gets subjected to a lot of bacteria and microbes because of the constant sweating that keeps happening. The bacteria or microbes further clog the pores and make our skin break out. And so to get rid of this problem, we are here with a DIY green tea scrub that you can prepare at home in 5 minutes. So watch the video till the end and find out how green tea can help you get rid of all the body acne that keeps happening in the summer season. This will also help you get rid of all the infections that happen on your skin in the summer season due to sweating. Start by adding 2 teaspoons of green tea powder. Then add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Finally, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Now mix all the ingredients nicely to form a flowy paste. Talking about the benefits of these ingredients, green tea is known to be filled with antioxidants that make your skin healthier, and it also protects the skin from acne and other such breakouts. It kills infections and also all the other microbes present on the skin. Talking about olive oil promotes the overall skin health as it's rich in vitamin E, and it also helps in making your skin soft and supple. Talking about honey helps in maintaining the perfect moisture balance in the skin and also reduces scars, pigmentation, and other signs of infections on the skin. So now that we know the benefits of all these ingredients, we will tell you how you can apply the scrub. All you have to do is take the scrub on your fingertips and gently massage over your skin. Apply an ample quantity of the scrub on your skin and keep massaging for 5 minutes and then let it stay on for another 5 minutes. If you have applied the scrub on your entire body, then you would need to take a bath, or else you can just rinse the area that you have used the scrub on. After rinsing, you can go ahead and pat dry with a soft towel and moisturize with the help of your favorite moisturizer. You can also use aloe vera gel instead. You can use this body scrub for about twice a week and you will notice how easily you can get rid of all the infections that happen in the summer season due to sweating.